Philosophy is love of wisdom, and the purpose of the wisdom is really self-discovery, self-knowledge. From 1960 through to now, we've been offering public lectures in philosophy, and it can transform people's lives.
I'm less reactional, and I actually give myself some space to think about, how I'm responding to people. I see more of myself in others, yeah.
It's a pretty unique organisation. Nobody in the school gets paid for the work they do, but it does take a lot of work.
Part of my offering to the school is to look after the administration processes and systems. The previous systems, it cost us a lot in terms of time, and remembering that we're volunteers, it's important that we're efficient as we can be. We had, I think at the time, around 5,000 student records. We realised that operating a self-contained database was not going to be scalable and allow us to move forwards. We're lucky, and one of the students here is very much involved in software selection. And I think he came to LavaBox, and that started the engagement. Salesforce and Education Cloud were a very nice opportunity to use an off-the-shelf software model. We had some very early, quite high-level meetings about what we wanted. LavaBox are very good at taking that on board and understanding what that meant in terms of how Education Cloud could be built in a way to accommodate those needs. I got the impression very early on that we had a substantial meeting of minds before we got into the technical requirements. I was quite surprised at how quickly we were able to get to something which represented what we were looking for. The data migration was very expertly done, so we ended up with a much better starting position in terms of live data in Education Cloud than I had expected. Salesforce Education Cloud has given us an opportunity to pull those systems together, align them very quickly and easily onto a common platform which is web-based, allowing easy access from anywhere. The timing of Education Cloud was just about perfectly matched to the introduction of COVID. We instantly lost our ability to communicate and manage students in room.
So we were able to offer the Zoom groups for all those that were currently attending, as well as a new intake, but it has opened up a whole new vista for us.
So that took us very quickly into a space where we needed to use a marketing automation tool to communicate with users. The big advantage for us was taking payments online in a uniform and reliable method, and it gives them a seamless and a very easy process. Retention is important to us, and an easy experience for the student is key. The more that you can do to help students, then the happier students are. We truly believe that this is giving us something that no other platform we have seen allows us to use. We've now got an opportunity to build on that platform. We have a relationship with other schools, and we're now offering the same platform to other schools so they can pick that up and use that as a starting block. My experience of working in the IT world and of working with LavaBox is not to underestimate the benefit of working with a partner that you can trust and rely on to deliver quickly and efficiently. It will save you time, it will save you cost, and the resulting product will be better.